Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn progressions exercise number 3 question number 10. A sum of 700 is to be given 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes. So 700 rupees is there. So we have to give 7 cash prizes to 7 students. So now what is the condition he given? If each prize is 20 less than its preceding price. For example, first prize is 100 rupees, for example, you think. Second prize will be 100 minus 20. It should be 80. Third prize will be 80 minus 20. It should be how much? 60. So like that, each price is 20 less than its preceding one. So this is 80 is nothing but 100 minus 20. 60 is nothing but 100 minus 40. Next price will be 40. So it is nothing but 100 minus 60 and so on. So based on this, I will solve this question. So what I am taking, let the first prize be x. Okay. Second cash prize will be x minus 20. Third cash prize will be x minus 40. And fourth will be x minus 60. X minus 80 and so on. So this will form a AP series. So each prize is 20 less than its preceding one. So now what is the question is asking? Find the value of each prizes. So we given 7 such prizes. So we know that Sn is nothing but n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So in the question is saying that S7 that is equal to 7 by 2 2a, where a is nothing but x, 7 minus 1. Here the difference is nothing but minus 20, that is equal to 700. Okay, 7 by 2 2x, 7 minus 1 is nothing but 6 into minus 20 here, that is equal to 700. Okay, so here 7 by 2, it is in multiplication. You send this one to right side, this fraction will become reverse. Plus into minus is minus. 6 into 20 is nothing but 120. So here 700. So whenever a fraction is going to right side, it becomes reverse. 2 by 7. 7 one time, 700 times is 700. So now here 2x is equal to 2x minus 120 is equal to 200. So 2x is equal to, send this 120 to right side, 200 plus 120. So it is nothing but 320. 320. So 2 times x is equal to 320. So x is nothing but 320 by 2. So after cancellation, 2 ones are 2 six are and zeros, 160. So the amount of first cash prize is nothing but 160 rupees. So What about the second one? It should be 140. 160 minus 20, it should be 140. What about the third one? 160 minus 40. So now we will find out the value of each cash price. So first price will be x is equal to 160. Second price will be x minus 20. 160 minus 20 is nothing but how much? 140. Third price will be x minus 40. So 160 minus 40, that is nothing but 120. Fourth price x minus 60. So that is 160 minus 60, that is 100. Fifth price x minus 80. So 160 minus 80, that is 80. Sixth price x minus 100. 160 minus 100 is nothing but 60. Seventh price will be x minus 120. So that is 160 minus 120 is nothing but 40. Each price is less than 20. Okay, 140, 120, 100, 80, 60, 40. So these are the 7 prices given according to the question. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.